Introducing the Powrun P-one Max Jump Starter. In the case, you'll get your warranty card, your user manual, and the Powrun P-one Max Jump Starter. Turn on the power button to view the large display. On the right-hand side is the connector for your boost jumpstart cables. On the left-hand side, you'll find connectors, USB-C 30 watt, USB-A, and a 15 volt charger to charge up all your devices. You will also get a charging brick with USB-C to charge up the Powrun P-one Max Jump Starter. You will also get your battery charging cables and the connector with the boost feature to jumpstart your vehicle.
To use the Powrun, plug in your connector into your Powrun, connect your negative terminal to the negative on your battery, connect the positive terminal to the positive, hit your boost button, and you are ready to jumpstart your car.
P-one also has outputs to charge all your devices, cell phones, cameras, whatever you need. There's a 30 watt USB-C output, also USB-A, and a 15 watt 10 amp output for charging all your devices. The P-one also comes with this super bright flashlight. Power on the unit, long press the power button, the light comes on. Press again and you go into safety mode. Press one more time for another strobe feature. Here is a look at all the specs that the P-one Max Jump Starter contains. The P-one Max Jump Starter. Get yours today. Link in description below.